Sometimes exploring is becoming more aware of what's been laid out before our eyes, yet remains unseen. I'm Mike Luoma, author and researcher, and back in December, I was able to visit a stone chamber on the banks of the Nashoba Brook in Acton, Massachusetts. Though I grew up in nearby Hudson, I've only recently begun to appreciate the indigenous past of my childhood home. When I go back there now, it's like returning with new eyes. These very well could have been sacred spaces. I try to approach them with a mix of respect, reverence, curiosity, and awe. Let's take a look inside. Traditional archaeology says these chambers were root cellars. I'm not so sure. I'd encourage you to read the book Manitou by James Mavor Jr. and Byron Dix. While my own research was leading me to believe many of New England's stone workings could be of Native American origin, Manitou brought that point home. This chamber in Acton has been restored and made safe for the public to visit. Its location, next to a pond in the brook next to it, does suggest it could have been used as an ice house in colonial times. Given the enormous amount of activity, both in the modern age and in colonial times, around this chamber in Acton, if there was any sign of earlier use, it's been long obliterated. My research so far is experiential, not judgmental. I want to experience these places, take them in. Each place so far has been very different. This chamber in Acton, with its L shape, much different from the nearby chamber in Upton, or Callender 2, up in Vermont. I'm making these videos so you can experience them with me too.